yoga provides many benefits for both mind and body. Here are some of the major benefits of practicing yoga. Physical fitness. Yoga improves flexibility, strength, and balance. It involves various poses, asanas, that work on different muscle groups, increasing overall physical fitness. Stress reduction. Yoga involves breathing exercises and meditation, which help calm the mind and reduce stress. It promotes relaxation and improves overall well-being. Mental clarity and focus. Regular practice of yoga can lead to mental clarity, improved concentration, and increased focus. It can help you be more present and mindful in daily life. Better posture. Yoga poses work to improve posture by strengthening the core muscles and aligning the spine. This can reduce the risk of back and neck pain caused by poor posture. Increased energy levels. Yoga practice helps increase energy levels by improving blood circulation and stimulating the nervous system. It reduces fatigue and promotes vitality. Better sleep. Yoga can help improve sleep quality. Yoga's relaxation techniques and stress-reducing benefits can help combat insomnia and promote restful sleep. Weight management. Regular yoga practice can contribute to weight management. It helps tone muscles, boost metabolism, and improve digestion, which can support healthy weight loss or maintenance. Increased flexibility. Yoga involves stretching and lengthening muscles, tendons, and ligaments, which gradually improves flexibility over time. Increased flexibility can enhance athletic performance and prevent injuries. Emotional well-being. Yoga promotes emotional well-being by reducing anxiety, depression, and promoting a positive outlook. The combination of physical activity, breathing techniques, and meditation helps balance emotions. Increased respiratory function. The breathing exercises, pranayama, practiced in yoga improve lung capacity and overall respiratory function. This can benefit individuals with respiratory conditions such as asthma. Heart health. Certain dynamic styles of yoga, such as vinyasa or power yoga, may provide cardiovascular benefits by increasing heart rate and improving cardiovascular endurance. Inner peace and spiritual growth. Yoga is often seen as a holistic practice that nurtures the mind, body, and spirit. It can lead to a sense of inner peace, self-awareness, and spiritual growth.
Thanks for watching.